Hadin bon snem baka Jowai Diocese kalasha I Kunswet Klemdon unong sharai bopet ya ke jingroi jong balang hakani ga Diocese penban kala long ke jingkemen ke bakrau ber ke jingkerku bahaga praterik benai naitung arajar arpulai haga por lashteng no paisngi ukpa Bakhuid po Francis ula penbena lingba Archbishop Leopoldo Girli ubadi apostolic nuncio balla Thung yo Reverend Father Ferdinand Dkhar ubadi diocesan administrator ke Jowai Diocese como Bishop Bathymmai.
Together, praying for the needs of the church, asking the power of the Spirit that it may lead and guide the church. In the name of the Father, and of the Son, and of the Holy Spirit, Amen. We sing a hymn to the Holy Spirit. That you have brought through the incarnation, through the passion, death, and resurrection of your Son. We thank you that the mysteries of salvation is reenacted in the sacraments of the Church. We thank you for the gift of the Church, where the fullness of your redemption is daily being experienced in our daily lives. Lord, we place ourselves in your presence. We place the Church, the Holy Father, all leaders of the Church, and we place our dioceses in your guiding hand.
Father Richard Manbhamajal, Vicar General, Archdiocese of Shillong. Permission to announce the appointment of the new Bishop of Jowai. Dear Father, regards to you, with a sense of gratitude to God and cited in the subject above, may I inform you that I will be in Jowai today. So may I delegate the power to you to make a public announcement about the appointment of the new Bishop of Jowai. Kindly invite priests, religious and faithful of the Archdiocese of Shillong to come for prayer and make the announcement that His Excellency, Most Reverend Leopoldo Girelli, the Apostolic Nuncio to India, has communicated to me that His Holiness Pope Francis has appointed Reverend Father Ferdinand Dkhar, the Diocesan Administrator of Jowai, as the new Bishop of Jowai Diocese. The announcement is made public in Rome on Saturday, the 8th of July at noon, corresponding to 3:30 p.m. Indian Standard Time. Please read in the gathering the letter of His Excellency, Most Reverend Leopoldo Girelli, the Apostolic Nuncio to India. Let us ask our Blessed Mother to intercede for the new Bishop of Jowai and for the entire diocese. Yours affectionately in Christ Jesus, Victor Lindor, Archbishop of Shillong, dated the 8th of July 2023.
New Delhi, 7th July 2023. Your Grace, I have the pleasure to inform you that His Holiness Pope Francis has appointed Reverend Father Ferdinand Dkhar, Diocesan Administrator of Jowai, as Bishop of Jowai. This provision will be made public in Rome on Saturday, the 8th of July, at noon, corresponding to 3:30 hours Indian Standard Time. Until then, this news is to be maintained under the seal of pontifical secret. Let us entrust the intercession of the Virgin Mary, the Episcopal Ministry of the new Bishop of Jowai. With fraternal regards and best wishes, I remain yours testimony, signed by Archbishop Leopoldo Gerli, Apostolic Nuncio of India. I think let's all stand together and put our hands once again for